Hello and welcome back to Salesforce Hulk. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that's been buzzing in our comment box. Salesforce CPQ versus velocity. So if you're wondering which career path to choose, you have come to the right place. Stick around as we are going to unravel the details that will help you make an informed decision. Let's start by understanding what these two options are all about. Imagine you are in sales and you want to make estimates, proposals, quotes and order a breeze. That's where Salesforce CPQ steps in. On the other hand, we have got Velocity. Think of it as a digital interaction platform that's all about enhancing industry-specific transactions and is like a close friend of Salesforce. If you are the kind of person who is excited about boosting sales and helping businesses level up their game, then Salesforce CPQ could be your cup of tea. On the other hand, if you're all about crafting unforgettable customer experiences and diving into industry-specific magic, then Velocity might be waving at you from the other corner. Hold on, we're not done yet. Let's break it down further and analyze the showdown between these two career paths in three key aspects. First, career growth, opportunities, and the learning path. Let's talk about the first one, career growth. Now picture this. A racetrack where both platforms are speeding ahead. Salesforce CPQ, with its widespread popularity, tends to have more signposts toward career growth. It's like a bustling marketplace where loads of resources, online courses, certification programs, and groups to connect with. It's like they're saying, hey, come join the fun and let's climb the ladder together. But wait, there's a twist. Velocity might be the dark horse, but it's charging ahead rapidly. If you've got a soft spot for a specific industry, Velocity could be whispering, we've got something special just for you. It's like they've got a VIP pass to industries that aren't accessible in the world of Salesforce CPQ. Second, opportunities. Now let's peek into the treasure chest of opportunities. Salesforce CPQ has set up camp in the big leagues, attracting the enterprise giants. On the flip side, Velocity has found its groove in the mid-market and small businesses scenes. So, whether you are eyeing a big corporate adventure or dreaming of a cozy startup, there's a path for you. Now, let's talk about the last but not the least aspect, the learning curve. Salesforce CPQ might remind you of a thrilling roller coaster with its steep climb, but guess what? There are plenty of guides, maps, and fellow adventurers to help you conquer it. Meanwhile, Velocity is like a slightly gentler ride, but don't underestimate its twists and turns. To wrap it all up, both Salesforce CPQ and Velocities are like two cool parties you've been invited to. The key is to research based on your career goals, experiences and passions. If you're after a bustling marketplace with lots of room for growth, Salesforce CPQ might be your jam. But if you're diving into industry-specific waters and creating tailored experiences make your heart race, then Velocity is waving hello. Remember, the path you choose is like your favorite song. It should definitely resonate with your aspirations and make you want to dance towards your dreams. So, go ahead, make that decision and get ready to shine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more career adventures.